Because at this point, you either trust me or you don't.
Detective, I trust you.
Look, if you think that I wouldn't forgive you for your mistakes or your flaws, if you think that I don't know who you really are by now, you're wrong.
Oh my, we must have got it wrong. Falling skies, the storm is coming strong.
Linda, look at you.
Lucifer, I'm okay.
This is my fault, and I should never have got you involved in any of this from the start.
It's not like I didn't know I was dealing with the most most dysfunctional family in the universe. Lucifer, I walked into this with my eyes wide open, chose to be your friend, and face all that comes with it. The good, the bad, and the crispy. What?
I just realized something that I need to do. But let's focus on you, shall we? That's enough about me. Detective. Hello, it's me, Lucifer. I just wanted to apologize for being so elusive. But I also wanted to say that I am done hiding. So I'm coming over now to tell you the truth about me. Because I think it's time I finally opened your eyes as to why strange things sometimes happen around me. Why my brother's so saintly and Maze is so not. And I'm so, well, magnetic. No, but seriously, I want to tell you everything. No more going backwards.